Welcome to this video on work easily. Few simple tips. So you can divide and conquer the work. So if you're getting a complex work, instead of doing the work as it is, what you can do, you can divide that work into smaller pieces and keep doing the smaller modules of the work little by little. Okay, for example, if you have to set the question paper, okay, one or two or three subjects if you have to do, okay, so 10 questions in each question paper means every day you can set one question. So like relaxedly you can set, and you can put your intelligence in that setting the question paper also. In the same way, if you are arranging the things in your office or in your home, okay, keep doing it little by little. Okay, every day one almirah you can clean, or like that you can do it instead of doing it at a stretch. It will be strainful for you also. To overcome that, you can do this in the manner of divide and conquer the work. So do works in sliced manner, that's in a round robin manner. Okay, so whenever you are involved in so many works, like for example, if you are a teacher in a teacher or professor in a college, what you can do, there are so many things you have to do. Okay, you have to teach also, you have to conduct the tutorials also, then you have to correct their papers also, then you have to do the research contribution also. So and you have to do the consultancy work also, like that. So many things you have to get involved in. So how can you do that? Okay, instead of sitting from morning to evening, like reading the literature, doing the literature survey, or doing the um, paper writing work, research paper writing work, instead of doing it like 1 hour you spend, if you're spending in teaching, then the next 1 hour you can do it for the consultancy work. Okay, what all the work you have taken for consultancy, you can do it. Then the third hour in your workplace, you can do it for writing the research work. And the fourth hour you can contribute for project guidance along with your students. So in the same way, whatever the work you are involved in, you can do, you can slice the work, and in the round robin manner, one after another you can do it. So in all the works you will be involved in. Okay, so you have to write on what all the works you have to do. So one after another, whenever you are doing it, you can keep the checklist and you can tick it, and you will be contributing to all the works. And at the end of the day, what will happen, you can update, and you will update your higher ups what are the works you have done. Okay, so hope these two tips will helpful for you in your work. Thank you.